All right, team, just in case you're wondering why we're outside, this curb appeal looks horrible. And the curb appeal is going to be everything because that's going to be the first thing that the buyer sees once they pull up to the property. So I am hiring someone to put sod down and install it, etc., etc. We're going to have to clean all this stuff up, but they're going to need the square footage. So there's not really a way that I know how to do it. Hopefully you can still hear me. But I can always just get a measuring tape and do the corners, right? So we have roughly about 118 inches by 133 inches for this stump. Now here's the tricky part, right? That was easy. So we need to also figure out how much of this we need, which definitely won't be so easy. Let's see what angle you got. Okay, so let's just say so we got about 150 inches by, let's just do the whole length of this bad boy. $341 plus $156. So I'll be honest, I didn't take notes, but I have the video. So what we're gonna do is replay the video, listen to the measurements, and then figure out how much square footage we got. Till next time.